5 girly food recipes to reinforce your immune system. When we say girly, we mean good for your fertility or good for your period. But of course, there are no food exclusively designed for women. Number 1. Oatmeal, banana, apple. To have tested it ourselves, we can only recommend that you test it too. If the morning routine videos feel late, pretty bowls of fruity oatmeal, it is not only because it looks healthy, it is because it is healthy. Indeed, after having consumed your lemon water daily, put your quantity of oatmeal in a saucepan, then ignite on low heat and finally pour a little vegetable milk into it. For the greediest or the food lovers, add a tablespoon of vanilla yogurt. 2 minutes and it's ready. For the vitamin touch, put an apple and a nicely cut banana or whatever fruit you have. Add cinnamon and chia seeds on top. This is a bowl which encourages your antibodies to consume the fight against bacteria. This is felt by stopping morning allergies. Number 2. Vegetable or fruit smoothies. When you are lazy and don't know how to cook vegetables, it's best to drink them. There are a variety of vegetables that mix very well with fruit. These vegetables are carrot, beetroot, spinach, romaine salad, and even tomato. Depending on your needs, make a smoothie. It is a bomb of vitamin for any time of the day. You can mix 5 fruits at once. Do it over a week and you will see the difference. Look for vegetables rich in magnesium and iron, then mix them. At this point, it is recommended to add ginger and lemon in these. Buy coins, avoid before meals because it is satiating. Number 3. Matcha latte. It is quality green tea and full of chlorophyll. For the sweetness we love so much, we add milk. Needless to say that this Japanese tea increases the capacity of the brain, especially those of concentration and memory, thanks to its multiple health benefits. Its richness in catechin, an antioxidant which strengthens the immune system, prevents cancer, and fight against cholesterol. Number 4. Avocado and kale salad, added flax seeds. This is the first 100% female fertility idea on our list. Even for those who do not try to get pregnant, this meal allows you to have the right hormones necessary for blood circulation for the proper functioning of the heart too. It is a meal that can be eaten even during the period without moderation. Because this dish is good for your blood sugar, your health, and your digestion thanks to avocado. Thereafter, your immune system and your iron intakes are systematically ensured thanks to kale. Number 5. Fruit salad. Blueberries, pineapple, mango, or peach with chia seeds. Fruit salad, like smoothies, allows you to consume several vitamins at the same time. In advantage, we keep the crunchy sides because chewing is also very important. Try fruits of different color. It will put you in a good mood. This is a dose of good carbohydrate, ideal when your body is demanding fast sugars, which we remember are to moderate if you want to boost your capacity and your antibodies. Now the bonus point. red beans seasoned with garlic and parsley. B12. The body needs this vitamin, whether you are vegan or not. So this is a good alternative for those who have abandoned meat. You can eat it cold as a salad or hot, with lots of vegetables. The spices that will play an antibacterial role while enhancing the taste of this dish are garlic and parsley. The advantage is that it will be easier to consume than in herbal tea, for example. Take care to rinse the beans well using a colander as soon as they come out of the can. Do you have other recipes that we forgot? Do you think about the one we placed last? Here is the reward for looking till the end. Quinoa, salmon, spinach. Second bomb with hormonal balance. Quinoa, very filling, is a good alternative to rice. Spinach and salmon, in addition to forming a happy marriage, bring a protection against breathing sickness like asthma. In fact, several studies tend to show that consuming food rich in beta-carotene like spinach will reduce the risk of developing asthma. It also brings a protection against anemia, lung cancer, and it's overall energizing because of B, B9, and B12 vitamin in the salmon. In the next video, we will talk about hygienic tips for collocation. Then activate the bell. Do not keep this food for yourself and share it or like that so others can access them. Bye-bye.